everyone, today we're going to make sausage dressing. You are going to want one very large onion diced up, got 5 stalks of celery diced. You're going to need 1 loaf of a white bread, 16 ounces of sausage, 1 egg. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and if you use the Italian style, it will add a little extra flavor, which I prefer. You're going to want pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you are going to need a large baking pan. Alright, I've got my pan on medium heat. All we're going to do is just take our butter. We're just going to melt that. Now that my butter is melted, all we're going to do, we're just going to add in our celery and our onions. And then we're just going to saute these, and then partway through we'll add in the garlic. Alright, these have been sauteing for about 8 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, my onions are starting to get a little bit translucent. At that point we're going to add in our garlic, and then we're just going to saute it for a few more minutes, and then we'll just set it to the side. Alright, you're going to either want to cut up or tear apart your loaf of bread. You're going to need a very large bowl. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to add in your sausage. And I did beat my egg, so just add that in. It makes it a little bit easier when you're mixing. And we'll add in our breadcrumbs and our pepper. And then we're also going to add in our onion and celery mixture. I usually let it cool for a little bit before I put it in. And then you're either going to want to knead this by hand. I can say I will do that in a second. I just usually like to get it stirred together just a little bit. And then you're just going to squish this all together. You want to make sure that your sausage is all broken up. Now that we've got that all mixed together, all we're going to do is just put it into our baking dish. I've got a 9 by 13 pan. And you're just going to flatten that out a little bit. You're going to want to cover this with tin foil, and then you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for between 45 minutes to an hour. Alright, I just took the dressing out of the oven, and it's been about 45 minutes. What I usually do is if I'm going to need to reheat it later, I'll only cook it for the 45 minutes. And then I can cook it for about 20 minutes or so to warm it up later. If you are going to be serving it right away, a lot of times what I'll do is the last 5 minutes or 10 minutes I will take the tin foil off just so that the top will be a nice golden brown. So, hope you enjoy!